Hi everyone, welcome to BIM Guru. So in this particular video, we'll discuss how we can, export a lot of Revit files if we are having multiple Revit files without opening them into Navis Works. So how we can do that thing? It's very simple. We'll be using D-roots. Sorry, not D-roots. We'll be using bird tools for this case. And for that one, let's discuss from where we can get the bird tools. So let me go to bird tools website. You can directly search by bird tools, and before starting that, I just wanted to tell you guys this is not a promotional video. I just got to know about this particular add-in just few months back only, and I got impressed about this add-in because at the first place, the first priority for us is totally free. Now the second thing is highly valuable. I found it's highly valuable, but if you find like you have better options, please go with that one. But I think it's valuable for me. That is why I'm just creating the video on this one. But I did not get any money from these guys. Okay, so right now on this particular website of bird tools, right here you can click on products. There are a lot of products, but those are paid, so I'm not discussing about them. So right here you can see this is free Navis export version 5.0. Click on read more. You'll get a download now option. If you'll scroll down a little bit, there are two more options that you need to click on, either of them. Okay, so the first option is bird tool mirror, and the second one is Autodesk App Store mirror. In simple language, if I'll say, if we'll click on this download option, it says that you have the latest version every time after downloading as well. Okay, you get the update of that one. But for Autodesk App Store mirror, you do not have that liberty. They do not guarantee that you will be getting that option or not. So simply I'll click on this download option, and then you have to fill these four information. I am not sure about three information if you fill the correct one or not, but you have to fill the last email address should be correct, because you'll be getting a link of download this particular add-in on your mail only, and then from right there you can download, and it does not take more than 5 minutes. Okay, so you can proceed with the hard one. Now let me go in Revit. So I have opened a dummy Revit file now, and we are having this bird tool right here. So first, please just open any dummy file. Okay, it does not matter that you are opening the Revit project or not. No, just open a dummy Revit file so that we can run the add-in, and then right here we are having these file Revit files that we need to export in Navisworks, and the path is right here for Navisworks. Okay, so let's go like that way. Okay, so in board tools, click on batch export models. Click on batch export models. This kind of dialog box will be opened right here. You can check this one because you want to go for last view worksheet, or you want to go for all and check. Okay. Now right here, two more options are right here. So if you want to go for BIM 360 platform or ACC platform to be extracted the Navis file for those Revit files, you can do that as well. So right here I have one account, but if you are having multiple accounts, definitely you will be working on multiple projects. Select your own project and go for your project, and then the directory will be opened. So you can go for like that, like for example WIP, Revit, and like that as well. Select your model. Right now I do not have any Revit file right there, so that is why it is not showing. But if there are any Revit files, it will be shown right there, and then you can select your Revit files. Okay. uh, but right now we are having the files in local folder only, so I'll click on browse. I'll go for my Revit folder, RVT, and these are my Revit files. So I'll select all the files, click on open. Those files will be shown right here. Now let's go for all those parameters. Definitely, you are Revit guys, so you can understand them a little bit better. But before than that, you need to give the directory path for your Navis file as well. So click on browse at the bottom one, go for Navis file path. So I just want to save my Navis files right there. So we have given Revit file path, those are right here. We have given the Navis path right here, and now all those options are right here. So you want to go for convert all element properties, you want to export the links or not, room attributes, and those kind of stuffs that we normally do in while exporting the Revit file from Navis as well. So you can check and check them. The highly important thing is this one. Okay, so you want to you want to go for shared parameters, uncheck this one. You want to go for internal, sorry, not shared parameters, shared coordinates. But if you want to go for internal coordinates, check this one. Okay. and those kind of stuff. If you want to export the links, check this one, not uncheck. Same thing for CAD files, room attributes, those kind of stuff as well. Now let's go for these options. These are highly important. Do you want to export all, what we can say, all 3D views? Uncheck this one. Okay, leave blank means this one. If I'll check this one, leave blank means all 3D views will be exported. But if you have any kind of text in your 3D view that you want to export from Revit, then you can mention right there. And it's case sensitive, so please make sure that you are filling right there. If you did not get, let me brief you a bit more. So for example, you are having a specific view, a 3D view in your Revit models that you want to export with a specific case sensitive name. Please fill that name right here so that it'll rectify that particular view only and it'll export that view only. But if you want to export all the 3D views, do not fill anything right here. Okay. But if you do not have any specific name in your 3D views, but you want to export all entire model, go for this option. Okay. You can, add prefix right here. For example, any name that you want to add, for example, BIM, and at the end Guru, you can fill right there as well. Okay, uh, it is right here. If you'll see, it's already checked. The model name will be right there. It means the Revit file name will be right there while exporting the Navis file. If you do not fill the prefix and suffix, the Navis file name will be your Revit file name. But if you want to add prefix and suffix as well, you can add that one. Okay, I guess that's clear. Now click on proceed. It'll simply export your all the Revit files into Navis one, just one by one. You can sit or you can take a coffee or tea, whatsoever you like, and then all the Navis files will be in your Navisworks folder that you have given. So I'm right here. Uh, but before than that, I'll just show you. Uh, these blue lines will be getting green when it had done the exports in terms of the Revit files. Okay, so let's wait for a couple of seconds. It'll not take that much time because I did not choose the heavy files. But definitely we all know that if you choose the heavy file to export into Navisworks, it'll take uh, the time that it'll normally take, right? So let's see how much time it'll take for us to export those ones. So right here we can see two Navis files are already exported, three, and you can see the BIM Guru that we added. Those are right here. But if you do not want to add, you can you can go for blank space right there. Okay. So three are right here. I guess two more pending. So let's go for that one. So four are done. Now fifth is pending. So let's go for fifth as well. Yeah, all set. Task complete for us. You can click on close. Now go right here. You can have all those Navis files with you. You can open them in Navisworks and then you can proceed for your working. So I hope you get the value of this particular add-in. If you want to use this one, it's fine. If not, you have another options. Please comment right there in this particular video so that I can check those ones as well if those are highly valuable more than that. Okay. Thanks a lot guys for watching this video. Let's meet in my next video.